Hey K-Staters, I'm Kodee Walls, the Assistant Director of Counseling Services, and I wanted to take a couple minutes to update you about the services that we continue to offer, as well as some words of encouragement during this really difficult time. We're thrilled that we can offer telemental health services to students who were eligible and still in the state of Kansas. All you have to do is call Counseling Services to set up a consultation appointment, and we'll walk you through the process and get a good sense of your needs. In terms of words of encouragement, I just want to acknowledge that this is a really difficult time for all of us. It may be really hard to engage in your studies or to connect with your peers, but I encourage you to challenge some of that fear that may be coming up for you and do the opposite of what you want to do, which is maybe to avoid or to decline social engagements because you're feeling FaceTime or Zoomed out. You may also benefit from setting up some structure in your day-to-day life, which could mean making sure you're going to bed at a reasonable hour and getting up before noon. That can be really tricky when maybe you don't have a lot of reason to get out of bed. But finding things to do like going on walks, maybe making coffee, or even scrambling some eggs if you have those can make the difference between having a good, productive day versus one where you feel bad at the end of it. I'm also excited to share that in terms of some of the things you can do, you may also consider joining the workshops that Counseling Services are offering, and you can find those on our website. And lastly, I want to acknowledge that we are stronger than what this burden of the pandemic is putting us through. We are K-State strong. Go Cats!